remote town in Russia, in the Yakutsk region called Yakutsk, which is known to be the coldest place on Earth. After you get used to the cold and the different customs, there are many things you can do. There's the Kingdom of Permafrost and the Mammoth Museum. The marketplace is full of fish out in the open because of the cold. There's also a ton of raw materials such as gold, silver, and gas buried in the ground. Avoiding the cold and staying inside gives you time to create inventions and design new clothing styles. You can also become a taxi driver because there's lots of business getting people place to place. A minor aesthetic setback is that you need to use an outhouse, and you can't use any pipework because it's too cold and the pipes would burst. But they do have access to food and water thanks to the Lena River. But it is a remote town and has little access. Even though the city has its own airline, it is difficult to land in the winter and midsummer due to the lack of sun and fog. But in the times it is easy to land, it makes it easy to travel around. The landscape consists mainly of hills and valleys, but in city limits, it is mostly flat. There is a total of 282,419 people, with 90 people per kilometer squared. The average weather is as follows. June has 9 degrees to 22 degrees. July has 26 degrees to 12 degrees. August has 22 degrees to 9 degrees, and September has 12 degrees to 1 degree Celsius. There is a bit of air pollution because of wood bonfires and constant running of cars, but you can still see the stars and the beautiful view. This town is full of opportunity to open up a small business, and you have few neighbors to start a house renovation or blast hard bass, or do something obnoxious to annoy you. It is also home to the Russian Asian Bank, end of the 19th century, but now it is just a bank. There is also a National Art Museum of the Republic of Sakha. One on the outside, the city is cold and crude, but when you bundle up and get used to the different ways to use the environment and the minor inconvenience, Yakutsk is a nice place.